Hi, it's Kirti here, extending a hearty welcome to you all to this episode of the IG Global Pan Vision.
Today's episode is sponsored by Apurva Associates, Mangalore.
First, the news headlines from abroad. Fun and frolic marks Barry's Cultural Forum's annual sports day. Mungalur Kuttam celebrates Christmas in Rome. News headlines from Mangalore. Young Christian students hold Yuva Christotsav at Rosario Cathedral. And in our entertainment bash, we have a Goan number by Kepichan Kirnam from the 73rd monthly theatre held at Kalangan, a duet by Lona and Ronnie Dikunna from the Mega Konkani concert held in Dubai, and a song from Music Masti held at Brahmawar.
Apurva for Aptland.
Now, the news in detail. On the last day of the Christmas season, on Sunday, January 13th, of the baptism of Jesus, nearly 60 members of the Mungalur Kuttam in Rome came together in the SPD Generalate to wish one another the joys of the season. Konkani Jesuits in Rome too graced the occasion with their well-appreciated presence. Nancy Pinto, Sister Thelma De Paula, Father Mark De Souza, Father Clifford De Souza, and Father Ivan C. Pinto were the power behind making the gathering a success. Mungalur Kuttam organized a special Christmas program on Saturday, January 13th in Rome. Father Pius De Souza and Father Ronald Pereira welcomed the gathering. Father Gregory Pinto, SPD, General Councillor, presided over the Eucharist, while Fathers Vijay Prabhu S.J., Provincial of Karnataka Province, and Valerian Sequeira, together with nearly 20 priests, celebrated. The choir, led by Fathers Reginald Furtado and Dolphy Pius, sang Christmas hymns in Konkani. Brother Anthony Krasta S.J. was felicitated for his 20 years of service to the Mungalur Kuttam. Father Valerian Sequeira, who recently completed doctoral studies in canon law, was also felicitated. Hilary Krasta, Father Eugene Lobo S.J. and Father Elias Frank were elected as the new coordinating committee members, while Nancy and Sister Thelma were re-elected to the committee. Mangalorean Barry community members living in the Sharjah have formed a cultural forum. Barrys organized this year's program with a sports day. On this fun-filled occasion, Barrys from different parts of the UAE assembled there and participated wholeheartedly in large numbers in a spirit of community development. Barry's Cultural Forum celebrated its annual Sports Day and Fun Fair 2007-2008 at Sharda Wanderers Sports Club recently. Dr. B.K. Yusuf, BCF President, Vice President M.E. Moolur, Karnataka former Minister Mottamma, Tamil Nadu MLA Rani Venkateshan, Moodigere Taluk Panchayat member Lakshman Gowda, BCF Sports Day Chairman Shahada, Vice Chairman K.M. Ashraf, Secretary Dr. Kapu Mohammed were the guests of honor. Games like volleyball, cricket, tug-of-war, kabaddi, running race, balloon race, relay race, etc. were played. Cricket trophy was won by Crescent Overseas Forum Mulki. Eagle Kananjar won volleyball tournament. Cookery competitions, fruit eating competition for ladies, and Karela eating competitions for gents were the special attraction. Young Christian Students and Association of Catholic Students held Yuva Christotsav, a program to know about Jesus and Bible at Mangalore's one of the oldest churches, Rosario Cathedral, on Tuesday, January 15th. On Tuesday, January 15th, a large number of Catholic students from Mangalore, Udupi and Kasaragod gathered at Rosario Cathedral Hall. It was a holiday for colleges and schools, and they made full use of the opportunity to exhibit their knowledge about Bible at the Yuva Christotsava held by young Christian students. There were talks on Jesus Christ and his teaching and quiz competitions on Bible. Earlier, Mangalore Diocese Vicar General Dennis Moras Prabhu inaugurated the program. Father Arnold D'Souza, Director of Canara Organizational Development Program, was the chief guest.
그래서 국제적 야간 감시 아까 나중에 무슨 야간 차를 그 국제본에 그 여러분하고나 무엇에 깔끔해서 무엇에 걸거네 내가 그 나의 정서 국제적으로
YCS Udupi District President Jitesh, Mangalore Zonal President Anup Lobo, Secretary Benedicta, Karnataka Regional President Pritesh Narona, Diocesan Director Father Ronald D'Souza were present. Well, that's all we have from our news desk. Let me take a break here. On the other side of the break, we have some wonderful songs to entertain you. So don't go anywhere, stay tuned to us.
ಏನು ಮನೆ ಕಟ್ಟಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಹೊರಡ್ತಿದ್ದೀರಾ?
ಹೌದೌದು.
ನಿಮ್ಮ ಬಜೆಟ್ ಮತ್ತು ಎಸ್ಟಿಮೇಟ್ಗೆ ಟ್ಯಾಲಿ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇಲ್ವೇ? ಪರಿಹಾರ ಇಲ್ಲಿದೆ. ಮನೆ ನಿರ್ಮಾಣದಲ್ಲಿ ಸುದೀರ್ಘ ಅನುಭವವಿರುವ ಅಪೂರ್ವ ಸಮರ್ಪಿಸುತ್ತಿದೆ ಅತ್ಯಾಧುನಿಕ ಅತ್ಯಪೂರ್ವ ಹಾಗೂ ಸುಸಜ್ಜಿತ ಪ್ಲಾಟ್ಗಳು. ನಗರದಲ್ಲಿ ಮನೆ ಮಾತಾಗಿರುವ ಅಪೂರ್ವದ ಗ್ರಾಹಕರು ಹೀಗೆನ್ನುತ್ತಾರೆ.
I had lot of dreams and Apurva made it possible.
ದುಂಬು ಯಾನು ಅಪೂರ್ವದ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಕಾಲಿ ಕೇಂದಿತ್ತೆ ಅಂಡೈತೆ ನನ್ನ ಸ್ವಂತ ಅನುಭವಡು ಅಕಲ್ನ ಕ್ವಾಲಿಟಿದ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಇಂಕ ಪರಿಪೂರ್ಣ ತೃಪ್ತಿ ಉಂಟು.
ತಕ್ಷಣ ಸಂಪರ್ಕಿಸಿ ಅಪೂರ್ವ ಅಸೋಸಿಯೇಟ್ಸ್, ಆಶೀಶ್ ಅಪಾರ್ಟ್ಮೆಂಟ್ಸ್, ಕೊಡಿಯಾಲ್ಗುಟ್ಟು ಈಸ್ಟ್, ಕೊಡಿಯಾಲ್ ಬೈಲ್, ಮಂಗಳೂರು. ಫೋನ್ 2492417.